What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Wanchain here, currently up about 2.5% for the day, sitting at $2.17 in USD value. But we're looking at the BTC value, folks, up about 2% for the day, sitting at about almost 34,000, but we're sitting at 33,800 Satoshis. But really quick, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 255 billion. Today's volume is 12.5 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 43.2%. Bitcoin up about 0.5% for the day, sitting at 6,400. Ethereum up 1.5%, sitting at 446. XRP up about a quarter, sitting at 45. Bitcoin Cash up about 1.25% as well, sitting at 707. EOS up or down 2%, sitting at $7. Litecoin up 4, sitting slightly below 80. Lumens is down about 1% as well, sitting at 20. Cardano up almost about 2%, sitting at 13 cents. IOTA back below a dollar, sitting at up about 2% for the day, Tron up about 2% as well. And Neo down 1. Who are the big winners today? Power Ledger almost up 11, Wanchain up almost 11, and Wax up 9. Big losers, Bitcoin Gold down 9, Nebulous down 8, and Decentraland down about 7. Wow, Elastos is crazy cheap. But you folks came here for some Wanchain. Market cap is sitting at 230 million. Today's volume is 3 million. Circulating supply 106 million. Total supply 210 million. Major exchanges here, folks. Binance, Huobi, and Qcoin looks like are the major exchanges. First things first, BTC to USD on the daily. Zooming in here, folks. Channel breakdown. Support, channel breakdown. Support, maybe. So I'm looking for support here, folks. If we don't hold at 6,300, I'm expecting Bitcoin to fall back down to about 6,000. Switching over to the 4-hour really quick. It looks like we're kind of just building support here. Wick. So I wouldn't, if you're bullish on Bitcoin right now, I wouldn't buy just yet. I'd wait for that confirmation. If anything, I'd wait for that 4-hour break and close above 6,400. Once we break and close above 6,400, Bitcoin should make a short move towards about 6,600, but no long-term targets as of right now. However, if we do fail to break below 6,300, expect Bitcoin to fall from 6.3 all the way down to 6,000. Switching over to Ethereum to USD on the daily. We were in this nice little aggressive downtrend. We broke out of this. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit so I can show you. And it's pretty cool because I feel like Litecoin's analysis kind of backs this up. So Ethereum came in this aggressive downtrend, broke out of it, looking for support, came back down, tested it for support. Looks like we're actually bouncing and testing this level right now. Switching to the 4-hour really quick. As you can see, that's currently where we're at. Should probably extend it a little bit. But our 4-hour is now building support off the trend we just broke. So what I'm waiting for, folks, is that break and close above 445 on the 4-hour. Once we break and close above 445 on the 4-hour, Ethereum should be good to go. But if you take a look at Litecoin to USD, and this is on the weekly, you can see Litecoin is actually building support at about $75. Wick. So maybe, that drop that we saw the other day from Bitcoin, from about 6,600 to 6,300, it was, of course, it was a pretty big, it's only a $300 drop, but it looks like a pretty big candle, you know what I mean? So I feel like those drops and those spikes are starting to become normal. And as of right now, we're really just building support. That's what it looks like on the Litecoin weekly. And then if you switch over to the daily looks like the same thing. Looks like we have a potential double bottom forming. This would be bottom 1. This could be our second bottom. I'm waiting for that break and close above $80. Once we break and close above $80, Litecoin should start to move. But again, just my personal opinion. Not a financial advisor. You guys already know. But you folks came here for some WAN to BTC. To be honest, this isn't much of a technical analysis because, well, WAN's just in a straight, downtrend. No signs of reversal just yet. We did barely hit support or find support possibly yesterday. We got a green candle. We came as low as about 3,152 Satoshis. Price is currently sitting at 3,400. And I don't like how TradingView does that because if you go over here, it's 33,000. but that's all right. We'll just go off the trading view number. Currently sitting at about 3,400 Satoshis. Could potentially be getting a double bottom here, folks, as you can see. This was our last major support. Let's go ahead and delete that. We don't need these lines here. I'm trying to keep my chart as clean as possible. I know I have a lot of lines, but if we switch over to the 4-hour really quick, Wanchain actually looks like it has found support. Double bottom here, double bottom there. So I would expect Wanchain to be breaking out of its aggressive downtrend here pretty soon. I'm going to be taking a buy, folks, once we break and close above 3,370. Once we get that 4-hour break and close above 3,370, Wanchain should be good to go. That'll indicate to me that we are looking to form a higher high. But again, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Where do I see Wanchain going in 2018? Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Currently sitting at about 3,370, almost 75 Satoshis. I think we easily come up to our all-time high here at about 10,775 Satoshis. I don't expect this to be hit until late 2018, possibly early 2019. But again, just my personal opinion, folks. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote. Keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.